Imagine your computer is no longer just a tool, but your own personal chief financial officer. That's the huge development we're breaking down tonight. The line between your AI assistant and your financial advisor is, well, it's basically disappearing. So let's get into exactly what that means for you and your money. You know the feeling, right? You've got an app for your bank, another one for your credit card, maybe a third for your investments. Just trying to get one single clear picture of your finances can be a real headache. Well, that's finally starting to change. So let's get right into our top story, the rise of your personal AI CFO. All right, here's the bottom line, right up front. Your AI assistant can now securely connect to all of your financial accounts. We're talking your bank, your credit cards, your loans, even your investment portfolio. The goal? To give you a complete, unified picture of your wealth, all through a simple conversation. So why are we showing you the number 3? Well, that's the average number of financial apps a person uses just to try and keep track of their money. This new kind of AI integration is designed to put an end to all that fragmentation, bringing everything you own and owe into one central hub. So, seeing everything in one place? That's great, but what can you actually do with it? Let's dive into some of the powerful new tools this technology unlocks for managing your money. Now, this is a real game changer, especially for anyone who's managing different kinds of assets, like retail traders. You can forget about manually updating those messy spreadsheets. You can now just issue a simple command like this one and get a real-time, comprehensive look at your net worth across everything you own. And you can forget trying to shoehorn your life into some generic budgeting template. With this, you can just ask the AI to analyze your actual spending history and build you a custom budget that reflects how you really spend your money. It's daily financial monitoring, and it's built for you, by you. The technology also opens up some really powerful strategic planning. The AI can analyze all your debt, we're talking balances, interest rates, payment terms, and generate a sophisticated, truly actionable plan to pay it all down. That's a task that, not too long ago, you'd need a financial advisor for. And it's not just about your finances today. You can use your live investment data, your age, and how much you're saving to build these forward-looking dashboards. It can analyze your biggest long-term goals, like retirement, and tell you in an instant if you're actually on the right track. Of course, connecting all this incredibly sensitive information raises a huge question. So let's tackle the most important concern head-on. How in the world does your data stay safe? This is the question on everybody's mind, and for good reason. Giving an AI access to your entire financial life requires an enormous amount of trust. So let's break down exactly how your data is protected. The connection itself is handled by a company called Plaid. Now, if you've ever linked your bank account to an app like Venmo or Robinhood, you've almost certainly used it. Plaid acts as a secure bridge. It authenticates you directly with your bank, which means the AI app itself never even sees, let alone stores, your login credentials. Now, this next concept is absolutely critical to understand. It's called read-only access. What that means is the AI can see your financial data, your balances, your transactions, but it is fundamentally unable to act on it. It can't move money, it can't execute trades, and it can't change your account details in any way. So let's make this crystal clear. The system is designed for analysis, not for action. It can track your spending, it can analyze your investments, and it can calculate your net worth. It absolutely cannot make payments, move your funds, or rebalance your portfolio. It's built for insight, not execution, period. And here's another key privacy guarantee you need to know. The companies behind these tools have stated, on the record, that your personal financial data is never used to train their AI models. Your data is only used to answer your specific questions, and it's kept completely separate from any larger training data. Now, a development like this doesn't happen in a vacuum. It's all part of a much, much larger shift in how we interact with both technology and our own money. You see, this is the key difference right here. An AI that knows your actual financial context can give you far more useful, relevant answers. The leap from asking, how does a budget work, to, based on my spending last month, where's my money actually going? Well, it's massive. This is the future of truly personal AI. And this isn't science fiction. Younger generations are already embracing AI for their finances. The data shows that 77% of Gen Z and 72% of millennials are open to it. There's a really clear generational shift happening in what people expect from their financial tools.
Now, while people may still trust their bank more, the sheer convenience of these AI tools is just undeniable. This is creating a whole new competitive landscape. The platform that can answer any financial question using your own live data is in a powerful position to own the customer relationship, maybe even pulling you away from traditional banking apps.
And that really brings us to the final thought tonight. The technology is here and the security protocols are in place. So the only question that's left is a personal one for you. When you have an AI that can see your entire financial life in real time, what will you ask it first?